Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTOO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unfortunately, the party has officially ended. And now when I say this next statement, I'm not saying it towards the company. I'm saying it based strictly on how the prices acted. So from a price action perspective in trading jargon, this is what we would call a pump and dump. I mean, crazy movement. And then the price just totally went right back to where it was. So, I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price, and I realize I'm saying the obvious, but just, to back up the claim is price was here, and then to give credit where credit's due, monster movement, huge movement to the upside, very, very impressive. And then quite literally, basically a day and a half later, you got to ask yourself, okay, day and a half later, a very small amount of time, where's the price at? And now all of a sudden the price has gone quite literally all the way down here, technically speaking, even lower than where it started. Because, I mean, the move started right here when the price came to life right there. But now it's actually sitting down even lower than that. Now, yes, it was a pump and dump. Yes, that, prior movement is totally wiped away. But that doesn't mean that another nice movement can never come about. In fact, and this is what makes it a very interesting setup moving forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But I'm sure you've seen stocks that behave in this manner, and then they consolidate around areas of support. And that's exactly what happened here. What is this area of support that the price consolidated around? Right around $1.55, which if you go back in the history of the chart, you can see right there, behaved as support, and then once again, behaved as support. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. That doesn't mean that this is guaranteed to bounce back to the upside. My core point here is that it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have that maybe, just maybe, there's going to be some sort of snapback bounce to the upside, because this was a crazy move to the downside. Maybe there can be some sort of, like I said, return back up to, not necessarily go up to 220, but even if it gets up, half that way, that would still be a good potential trade. So overall, savage looking chart, but who knows, maybe there's some sort of bigger bounce in store. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.